Today, I will teach you how to draw Rooster. Grab your pencil and follow along. Until the late 18th century, a male chicken was generally referred to as a cock. A young cock was a cockerel. The word rooster first appeared in 1774. The rooster is the only bird in the Chinese zodiac calendar. Roosters perform a dance called tidbitting in which they make tuk food calls to let other chickens know of the presence of food. Roosters are the leaders of their flocks, and these brave birds will fight to protect their hens. These colorful birds live on farms all over the world. For more drawing factory tutorials, like and subscribe.